In the pursuit of excellence, professional handymen strive to elevate their toolbox with precisely curated tools that can have a transformative impact on their projects. Whether it's power tools or hand tools, the market offers an array of choices, presenting an exciting opportunity to enhance their craft. In this video, we'll unveil the 7 most indispensable and coolest tools that every handyman should possess to master their trade. If you find yourself engaged in home improvement projects or pursuing craft and hobby work, the Wagner HT400 heat gun proves to be a versatile and durable solution for all your heating needs. This heat gun serves a wide range of applications, making it a valuable addition to your toolkit. Notably, its dual temperature settings provide the option to switch between high and low temperatures, ensuring both safety and precision during your projects. The HT400 standout feature is its unique angle design, which offers 3 different operating positions, enhancing its usability in various situations. Furthermore, its compact size enables easy access to hard-to-reach areas, allowing you to tackle tricky spots effortlessly. Beyond its primary function, this heat gun comes in handy for additional tasks like applying heat shrink tubing around wires, embossing cards, removing stickers, and more. With the Wagner HT400 heat gun at your disposal, you'll be well equipped to handle a multitude of tasks with efficiency and ease. Remember those days when your grandmother used to reward you with pennies for picking leaves from the lawn? Well, those times are now a thing of the past with the EGO Power Plus 765 CFM Blower. This powerful blower delivers an impressive 200 miles per hour airflow, effortlessly sweeping away all the dead leaves and even hard objects. Surprisingly, it can run for up to 90 minutes per charge, allowing you to clean larger lawns and patios in a single go. The EGO Power Plus blower utilizes turbine fan technology, surpassing the performance of premium gas-powered blowers while operating solely on battery power. With its variable speed control, you have the freedom to adjust the airflow precisely for each task you undertake. Bid farewell to the old days of collecting pennies, and say hello to efficient and convenient lawn maintenance with the EGO Power Plus 765 CFM blower. No matter how experienced you are in the field, using a glue tube and applying by finger press isn't a wise choice at all. With that in mind, you should go with this WORX WX045. It is a 20-volt hot glue gun with a microergonomic design, which lets you get optimum control for precise operation. You can use this gun with the WORX system of portable crafting tools. Oh, there's a LED temp indicator that informs you whenever the gun is ready to fire. On top of that, it heats up pretty quickly and gets ready in mere time for the action. Worried about the accurate glue placement? Not a problem, the narrow focus nozzle will handle it. The cherry on top, the WORX WX045 comes with a 4 feet long flexible cord attachment, meaning you'll get enough maneuverability for uninterrupted movement when around the worksite. Instead of using all those heavy screwdrivers, a handyman will surely gonna love having this. This is the DEWALT DCF601. A subcompact screwdriver with a sleek look and lightweight design that equips an efficient motor to offer 25% extra power. The 12-volt battery never lets you down with substantial runtime. Most importantly, it features 15 clutch settings, so you can choose the specific speed for a variety of fastening and drilling applications. And the 1/4 inch quick release drop and load hex perfectly adopt 1-inch bits tips. Oh, let's not forget the 3 integrated LEDs on the nose. You'll get proper illumination for dim spaces. In the realm of woodworking, the blue Spruce bevel block emerges as a true game-changer for professionals seeking precise and repeatable angles. Its physical reference and user-friendly design make it an indispensable tool. With this level block, achieving accurate angles becomes a breeze. Simply hold the blade against the desired angle and lock it in place, guaranteeing consistent perfection with every use. One of the most advantageous features of the bevel block is its ability to achieve 90-degree complementary angles effortlessly. By switching from the right side to the bottom of the block, you can achieve two cuts that together total 90 degrees. This versatility proves invaluable for a wide range of woodworking projects. Moreover, the bevel block boasts a unique locking mechanism, ensuring a secure grip against the blade with smooth adjustments. It cleverly stays out of the way behind the body of your tool, adding to its user-friendly design. In summary, the blue Spruce bevel block is a must-have tool for woodworking professionals, enhancing precision and efficiency in achieving perfect angles with ease. The iCrimp wire crimping tool stands out as the ultimate companion for every handyman frequently dealing with wire crimping in DIY and professional projects. This exceptional crimping tool is meticulously designed to provide a smooth crimping experience. All jaws are carefully polished, eliminating any sharp edges that could potentially damage heat shrink insulation. With this assurance, you can confidently crimp your wires without worry. Crafted from high-carbon steel and treated with a waterproof surface coating, this crimper is built to endure and last. However, what truly distinguishes this tool is its effortless design. Featuring a built-in ratchet mechanism with safety release, each crimp is rendered uniform, accurate, and reliable. The newly designed shorter handle and lighter weight further elevate its user-friendliness, making wire crimping a breeze. Moreover, the tool's portability adds to its appeal, allowing you to carry it wherever you go. For every handyman seeking consistent and efficient wire crimping, the iCrimp wire crimping tool proves to be an indispensable and durable asset in their arsenal. Who doesn't love versatility? We're sure everyone does. So let's wrap up with the most versatile tool on the list. If you're a handyman or DIY enthusiast, you'll love this Dremel 8260. It's a smart cordless rotary tool for handling a wide variety of regular crafting projects. This handy guy delivers top-class performance, standout runtime, and cordless convenience to get all your job done in a satisfying way. The best part hits here when it perfectly competes with all Dremel rotary accessories and attachments. And the most interesting feature worth saying, the 8260 rotary tool provides red warning LED notifications that give you real-time alerts about all the overloading or accidental issues. So, that was the list of the 7 coolest tools that every handyman should have. Thanks for watching our video.